Okay, for number 6, part D, E, and F continued. I'm going to kind of go over this one more time. So anyone between 14 and 29, that's considered anything simulated by random chance. To the left would be surprising because that is his ability decreasing. And on the right of that would be surprising because that would be his ability increasing. And that's because we're not able to simulate it, so it's surprising that it would come up even after 100, because 100 is a pretty big sample size. So suppose that he completed 10 out of 34. Is that surprising? So 10 is over here, and that's going to be surprising because that was not generated by random chance. So yes, it's surprising because 10 out of 34 was not simulated by random chance. All right, so how many completions would Manning need in an actual game to give you convincing evidence that his ability increased? So the region that we're looking for is this right side. We want to see things that weren't generated by random chance because those would be surprising and above what had been the biggest number that had been simulated. So in this case, if I simulated 29, then I would need above 29 completions, or more than 29 completions, would give me convincing evidence. All right, so last one. Suppose that you decide Manning's ability had changed. What are some possible reasons for the change? So if I had a game of 34 attempts and he had 0 out of 34, maybe that means Manning didn't play that game. So it would be a situation where I wasn't able to collect data, or maybe he got injured in the first half, and that way we weren't actually able to see him complete as many games as we would see in a normal game. So just something that might happen by random chance.